Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the time remapping feature in the Premiere Pro software. So to explain what time remapping is, so have you guys seen certain videos? In those videos, certain part of those videos seems like it's been fast forwarded. Have you? If yes, that's what we are going to learn in our today's video in like 2 minutes. So stay tuned till the end. This feature is used to match the pace of your clip with the beats of the music, and it looks really cool at the end when you do so. And we have used this feature in our very first video in the channel, so do check it out if you haven't. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's get right into the software.
So I have imported the video on which I want to apply the time remapping effect. So basically, to start with, I need to first nest the sequence. So for nesting the sequence, you need to right click on the footage and go to nest. So basically you can give a name to your sequence. So over here I am writing time remapping. Okay, and then you need to again right click and then go to show clip frames, time remapping, and then speed. Now you will have to zoom into the clip by dragging the scroll bar. Now for time remapping, you need to choose certain parts of the clip on which you need to do the time remapping effect. So for that you need to press Ctrl and click on the start point, and again press Ctrl and click on the end point. I guess I'll choose the end point over here, and then I'll choose the again start point and an end point. So basically these are the two parts. This is the first part which I want to speed up, and this is the second part which I want to speed up. So to speed up, you need to hover upon this line that is there. So if you hover upon it, you can see the speed of the clip is 100%. So to speed up, you need to click and then drag the line up. So to speed up, I would prefer it to be around 400% for the effect to be actually seen. So this is 400%, and the second part will drag it to 400%. Yeah. So now you can play the video and see the effect. So yeah, that's how it's done. So there's one more thing. If you see these two vertical lines over here and over here, this actually gives a sudden start and stop to the speed up process. So if required, if you want a smooth start and end to the time remapping process, you can do that as well. So you need to just drag this to the right, okay, and then going to the left, you can drag this to the left. 1 second. Yeah. So now if I will drag this a little bit more. So now you can play the video and see.
So it smoothens out the start and the end of the time remapping process. So yeah, that's it. You have learned the feature, and it took like what, 2 minutes to learn it. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video very helpful, and if yes, please leave a thumbs up and comment if you have any queries. I will try and answer each and every query that you might have. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe along with liking and commenting. So yeah, that's it for today. See you until the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.